Okay, welcome to Blessing. This is Rekha. Today we'll see like what is background keyboard in latest version of Cucumber. Okay, so as it explains here, it executes before each scenario and it is defined in the feature file. As you guys saw previously, we explained hook in our previous video. So it used to be in separate package, right? It was not at all a part of feature file, right? For setup and tear down those things of values, we used to use a hooks. So why do we need a background keyboard now and how it is used? Just think, okay? For example, you are mainly so far we have seen like how to log in, log out from those things, right? Now just think for login thing, like I had a set of user for which like I used to log in, right? Now in your test case, it says like you need to sign up, then you need to log in. Okay, for those set of codes, you cannot write it again and again, right? In each feature. So we can define it as a background. So for before each scenario, these steps will get executed. Okay, this background keyboard is defined in feature file. Okay, I'll just tell you like as you guys saw like in my previous video, like I had explained, I'll just remove this tag. I had explained like how to write a feature file, how to write with the multiple values and all. Now I'll see like how you can. These were the thing to log into your website, right? With the user ID and password to particular website, right? It is generalized code. Now I want to give a what I want to give background. Okay, background. Okay, given user is on the sign up page. When user fills all the detail and clicks on sign up. Okay, when he enters, then user's credentials created. Okay, done. Now what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and run this file. Okay, so as you can see here, it is telling these, which the thing which I wrote, these three liners in my background, these are not defined. Please define the steps it is telling. So I'll just copy this. All right, I'll create one. I'll create one file in the step definition, that is background. Just you can name it, it is user defined background. Okay, background sign up. Just I'll give it as a sign up. Okay, I'll just paste it there. Okay, now I'll just import this and I'll give it as a star. Okay, sign up. Now I'll print it on the console. System.out println user is on the sign up page. Okay, system.out println user fills all the details. Okay, system.out println able to generate credentials. Okay, done. Right now this was the feature was written in my feature 2, right? This was part of this. Now I have written it as a background. Okay, that also I have defined that particular steps for this particular feature file. Now I'll go ahead and go to runner file. That login 2, right? It was. I'll just execute this now. Just see the difference. You'll understand it clearly. Okay, see, it will tell you scenario, log into the website, right? Please do the setup because my hook was there. User is on the sign up page. Given the user is on the sign up page, I am printing that. User fills all the detail. Okay. Then able to generate a credential, right? Those things I'm getting it. Okay. Till here it was on the background keyword, right? That happens. After that, your scenario will come and execute. All right, this is how it works. Now same thing we can try it out. Okay, for this lengthy feature file, what I'll do is I'll go ahead, I'll copy this, I'll just cut this instead. Okay, I'll cut this, I'll paste it here. Okay, now in my runner file, I had given the feature file. My feature file is this, right? Here I have one background keyword. I have 3 set of data. So now in this case, how it works, I'll just go ahead my runner file and I'll just run that. Okay, just see the difference. See here 21 steps because there were 3 scenarios. So how it works, I'll just tell you now. Now initially it was trying for this feature, right? For it will try for Rekha and password this, Aparna and password this, Suman and password this. Okay, just see that now. Like first it will do the scenario outline. Please do the setup because it was your hook. Then it will go your background. Background was this, right? Okay, then it will go for your particular feature, hook close. Then again, before your second scenario, right, for second user, for when it executes for Aparna, again, those sign up needs to be done. Okay, that is how it works. Understood? That's all about all this like background keyword, how it works and all. So if you like the video, please do like it and also subscribe the channel for the latest upcoming videos. Thank you.